Good afternoon and welcome to this week's issue of Print21. My name is Wayne Robinson, editor of Print21 at print21.com.au. Go there every day for your news updates from all across the wonderful world of print, from Australia and overseas. It's the best read website in the industry, and the magazine, of course, Print21, the best read and the biggest. This week's news continues the industry consolidation or change, evolution. Whirlwind Print, which bought Lindsay Yates, a well-known high-end creative printer in Sydney a year ago, has now announced that it's going to move it into become a digital hub. So all offset printing that was at Lindsay Yates will move to Melbourne, including presumably the big 6-colour Heidelberg there. And Lindsay Yates, the name will be no more, and Whirlwind will move to a brand new site in Sydney with the HP Indigo 10,000 and various other digital equipment. Managing Director of Whirlwind, a very successful printer, been going for 20 years, says that it's best to split up the digital and offset and offer Sydney printers, New South Wales printers, offset printing from Melbourne, and Sydney printers digital printing from the hub. The Whirlwind Lindsay Yates, of course, was owned by David Shop and Paul Richardson. Paul moved on last month to manage a company called Reactive in Rydalmere. It's a changing world. Also in the digital world this week, Landa has announced its first digital press to go east of Europe. In fact, it's going into a company in China. We know the Landa press was launched 6 years ago now, Drupa 2012. With much fanfare, Landa was promising offset printing at offset speed on offset stocks, but with digital printing, which means no plates, no make ready and variable data. Progress has been slower than expected, fair to say, but the presses are starting to roll out now. The Chinese one is the 7th to go in. Some of those are beta machines, of course. Australia and New Zealand printers will have to wait until at least after Drupa 2020 next June to get their hands on one. And there are some Australian and Kiwi printers who put their hands in their pockets and stumped up the $10,000 for a place in the queue back in Drupa 2012. It's a long wait, but hopefully it'll be worth it in the end. Technology that is available this week, or is available, is coming from Swiss Qprint, the high-quality Swiss manufacturer of wide format machines. Print21 was at Clark Murphy Print earlier in the week to see the latest machine they've got installed there, put through its paces. It's the Nyala 3S, S standing for speed, a blistering 370 square meters an hour. Interestingly, Philip Trumbull, from the supplier Positive, says that the new Swiss Qprint is LED curing, which means that per hour it takes less than 2 boils of kettle, the equivalent of less energy than 2 boils of kettle to run it, which is good news for everyone who has to pay the prices of Australian electricity. That's it for this week. One other thing actually, Print21 was at the Canon event this week, big launch at Sun Studios for some new wide format image prographs. Taking the high-end technology down to the mid-market level, those machines are available for the AEC and poster printing market. Check out the print21.com.au website for all the details. And also, of course, you should have received your Print21 issue, latest issue out now, jam-packed full of great features on people in print developing their businesses, doing interesting things, getting into new markets. Read it and be inspired. That's it for this week. Wayne Robinson, print21.com.au.